is a Fox 17 winter weather alert.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a Wednesday morning. It is exactly 7:49. Nothing on radar. Matter of fact, we're getting on some short-lived breaks of sunshine with this high, thin veil of high clouds. But the clouds are going to thicken and lower throughout the day. Most of the day will be dry and quiet. But as we get into the late afternoon, we might start to see a little bit of light precipitation. And that becomes more likely as we get into the mid to late evening and the overnight hours. Because of the thin cloud cover, we've got temperatures that have fallen back into the teens in a lot of areas. Look at us, 14 in Hastings, 16 at the Grand Rapids Airport, 13 in Cedar Springs, and we're down into the single digits there in Mecosta County. Big Rapids is 9 degrees. Again, maybe a little bit of sunshine over the next few hours, but the clouds are going to thicken up. We'll trend mostly cloudy today. A lot of the day will be dry and quiet, but maybe by late this afternoon, some light precipitation coming in, a light mix. High temperatures around 29 degrees. Here's what it looks like on future track. You can see the way the clouds thicken up. Might have a strip of some snow coming in here, very light stuff, or a quick burst of some snow showers around the dinner hour. And then you'll see the mixed batch of precipitation, maybe some light freezing rain, especially along and south of I-94. But light is going to be the operative word. This is not a snowstorm and it's not an ice storm. By daybreak tomorrow, most of this is pulling out of here. We may even see some late day clearing tomorrow. The problem is it's going to get really windy. We may have some 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts both ahead of and behind that cold front. Friday, maybe some partial sunshine, but it will be dry and quiet before the next system rolls in here. Let's take a look at what's going on then. Areas along and south of I-94 under a winter weather advisory that starts this evening. You can see there are two different start times for the tiers of counties there and two different end times, but those are the only places under the advisory because that's where we expect maybe up to 1/10 of an inch of some icing, maybe some freezing rain, light freezing rain in those areas. Everybody else not under an advisory, a little bit of an icy glaze, maybe some light snow showers in there as well. So for today, we're in the upper 20s. Tomorrow, 36 degrees. That system pulls out by the morning hours, but look at the wind speeds. Nothing going on in the morning tomorrow, but as we go through the day, those wind speeds really ramp up at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. This is around the dinner hour. And then as we get into about 11 o'clock tomorrow evening, look at some of these wind gusts at the lakeshore, 45, maybe 50 miles per hour. And then those will gradually come down as we get into Friday morning. So Thursday evening, Thursday night is going to be very windy. Friday is dry and quiet. And then as we get into Saturday, we're already tracking the next system that's going to be moving in here. Take a look at it on our Fox 17 future track. This is at 6 a.m. on Saturday. Not much going on, but look at all this is blue. That's snow. That's going to be developing as we go through the late morning and into the afternoon. Some of these areas along and south of I-94 with this low pressure area on Saturday might see some freezing rain. Snow totals there would probably only be about 2 inches or so. Everybody else may be in the neighborhood of about 3 to 6 inches is what it looks like right now. We're still pretty far out. That can change, but this is already the next system that we're going to be tracking. That one may be a little more sizable simply because of the amount of snow that we're going to be looking at or the potential thereof. That's moving out on Sunday morning. We're in the 20s for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, which is below the normal or average high of 31 degrees. By the way, if you want more on these systems, especially the one coming in tonight, go to fox17online.com. We've got a story posted there. Janice, Elliott?
All right.